Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Meron pong bagong DepEd Order number 31 Series of 2025. Ito po ay amendment to DepEd Order number 20 Series of 2017. Bali binabago na po yung guidelines sa implementation ng Educational Service Contracting and Teachers Subsidy, Teachers Salary Subsidy Programs in junior high school effective school year 2017-2018. So dito po nagsimula yung taon na merong subsidy sa mga junior high school teachers. Ano ba ang laman ng DepEd order na ito, Ito po, itong tungkol sa implementation ng Educational Service Contracting and Teacher Salary Subsidy Programs in junior high school effective 2017-2018. Bale, ito po yung mga teachers na tinuturuan yung mga Educational Service Contracting or ESC na mga estudyante. So dito po sa DepEd Order number 20 Series of 2017, ito po ay meron pong subsidy na 18,000 pesos per teacher per year. Yung mga teachers salary subsidy, Ito po yung mga teacher na nagtuturo sa private schools. Opo, sa private schools po ito. Bale, ngayong 2025, through the ad referendum, the SAC members approved the proposal increase in the TSS amount from 18,000 to 25,000 pesos. Effective ngayong school year 2025-2026. So napakagandang balita nito para sa mga teachers na nandyan sa private schools. So ano bang feature ng TSS program? So yung amount ng TSS, ito nga po, 24,000 per teacher per school year. Pero pwede itong baguhin, depende na rin sa SAC, Ang mangyayari dito, yung DepEd ay magre-remit ng TSS funds to the ESC participating junior high schools, which shall in turn distribute the corresponding amount to the qualified TSS recipient. To be eligible for the full amount of the TSS, the teacher must have taught ESC grantees for the entire school year. In cases where the teacher was hired after the start of classes or resigned or retired before the end of school year, the teacher shall receive 2,000 pesos for every full month of actual teaching service rendered during the school year. However, no subsidy shall be granted for any partial or incomplete month of service. So, pinakamalaki talaga na marireceive nila ay 24,000 pesos kung complete na 12 months yung kanilang service. Take note, complete na 10 months. Okay guys, napakagandang balita niyan. Hanggang dito na lang po tayo. Thank you for having me. Paki-subscribe naman kung hindi nyo pa ito nagagawa. Bye-bye!